So I just noticed when I ran my code the last time that the editor got rid of my backslash for self-closing tag. So some of the, they're not needed. I like to signify that because it's a self-closing tag as opposed to a start tag and an end tag. But look, anyway, it got rid of it, so just to point that out. So next, give each image a source attribute according to its order in the document. So let's go source and rabbit ears, and the first image should have a source, it wants me to do it for all of them, so let's do it in there. Look, let's use our head here, copy and paste, get that one in, get that one in, that one in, that one, and sorry, that one joined on. So of course the source attribute indicates for an image, the source attribute says, well, right, where is the source of the image that I'm about to put in? So it's asking me here to put in this link here, and the first image should have this link. So I'll put it in here, point it in, and there's a nice little cat popping up, lovely jubbly. The rest should be the same except replace the one with the number the images in the document. So yeah, this one's going to be number 2, not another cat. Number 2 this time. Number 3. See that they're going in here. Yeah, they're looking nice. 4, number 5, number 6. Yeah, I've got to change them. Control and V to paste, change that to 4, change that to 5, change to 6, change to 7, change to 8, change to 9. That looks pretty nice to me there. Look at all our cats there. Oh, they're as cute as anything. So, check your code. Tell me at the bottom. Congratulations, you passed. Go to the next challenge, and that's number 6.